Hi everybody, I'm Stu with Main Street Mower, and today we're going to be talking about the STIHL FSA56. This is a battery string trimmer. This is a unit that we here only recommend for very light duty work. It's built for maybe a condo, a quarter-acre lot, something where you have very limited trimming. Only in cases when you're looking for lightweight and ease of use, no mixing gas, no storing gas, no cranking. So in the box here you have a handle that you have to install, and we're going to do that today. There's a pair of safety glasses. There's 2 screws, and there's a little tool to help you install those. Then your charger is there, and your battery is there. This model has the STIHL AK10. They typically ship them with about a quarter charge in them. This charger is called the AL101. It fits many different batteries. Then your manual. And then your guard, which is also a line limiter that will cut your line to a specific length. It's important to the motor. So we're going to put those pieces on. So we'll start by opening this bag. So you got a handle, safety glasses, you have a knob that goes with your handle. They have 2 screws that go with your guard, along with a little Torx 27 head that installs those. Let's flip it over. You can see your handle will go here, and the handle has a gearing to it to allow you to set it to multiple user settings. So you'll take this screw that's in the middle of that out, you'll pull this open, it'll clip right in. This bolt only goes in through one side. One side has a hex head that holds the bolt for you. If you don't stick your pinky into that hole and push that bolt all the way in, you won't have enough threads for this to grab. There we go. So start with the handle there, and you can either move it up or down for comfort. Your guard, there's a track built in here. It'll simply slide into the track, and you'll notice there's holes here, here and here, where your screws will line up, and drop those in. Grab your tool, tighten those down. This has a steel bump head on it, so this head here is full of trimmer line. And while you're working with the tool and your line gets shorter, you just run it full speed, you bump it on the ground, and it will advance more line out as you go. So it doesn't take very long to have this thing ready to go right out of the box. The head is fully loaded when it comes to you shipped. It can be rewound with a big spool line, or you can buy pre-wound spool inserts that just plug right in. Alright, there we go. Our trimmer is assembled. Last thing to show you would be putting the battery in. The battery plugs into this hole, and the hole is not symmetrical, so you'll be able to see how your battery goes in. It'll click all the way down. And then this system has two safety interlocks. One here that your hand just naturally presses down, and the other that you'll push up with your thumb before you pull the trigger, and your string comes alive. The last little piece is this button here. Allows you to extend or collapse in order to adjust this trimmer to you. And as simple as pressing that down and bringing it in. But before you begin, you'll likely want to charge your battery, because a quarter charge will only get you a couple of minutes of run time. So you undo this nice little strap. Plug your charger in. And then your battery has a release button. It's right there. Battery comes out and goes right on the tray. Just slides in, presses down. So this will sit here on the charger and slowly fill up all 4 dots until you have 100% charge. And then it can sit there just ready to go until it's time to work, in which you'll plug it back in just like we did. That's about everything there is to know about the FSA56. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.